Hi little farm friends. Welcome to our Farmland Friends adventure, where we learn all about fun farm animals and how to spell their names. Are you ready to meet our animal pals? Let's get started.
Look, here comes a cow. Cow say. Can you say? Great job! Now, let's learn how to spell cow. Ready? C-O-W. Cow. Aren't cows amazing? They give us yummy milk. Next up is a pig. Pigs love to play in the mud, and they go. Can you say? Awesome! Now let's spell pig. P-I-G. Pig. Pigs are so funny and cute. Here comes a fluffy sheep. Sheep say. Can you say? Perfect. Let's spell sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. They give us soft wool to keep us warm. Now, say hello to the chicken. Chickens go. Can you mimic that? Great clucking. Let's spell chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. They lay eggs that are yummy for breakfast. Gallop, gallop. Here comes a horse. Horses say. Can you say it? Now, let's spell horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. They help us travel and are super strong. Last but not least, meet the goat. Goats go. Can you say? Fantastic! Let's spell goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goats are curious and love to explore the farm. Now, little friends, can you remember all the animal names? Let's shout them together. Cow, pig, sheep, chicken, horse, goat. Fantastic! Give yourselves a big round of applause. You did an amazing job learning about our farmyard friends and how to spell their names. Remember, every animal is special and has a unique sound. Thanks for joining our farm adventure today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell for more fun learning adventures. See you next time, little farm friends. Bye-bye.